Hi, I'm Chuck at Inline Tube, and today we'll be showing you how to use the TLF06 full-size tube straightener. This full-size tube straightener is fully adjustable from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch. It can be vise or bracket mounted and used on all tubing materials from copper nickel to stainless steel. Let's get started. First, insert the provided socket into the side of the tube straightener. Next, connect the ratchet into the socket. Now, feed your tubing into the straightener. Make sure to orient the bend vertically or the tubing will not become straight. As you feed your tubing through, twist the handle located at the top of the straightener, and the wheels will lower over the top of the tubing. Now, crank the ratchet forward, and the wheels inside the straightener will begin to pull the tubing through. Once the tubing is all the way through the straightener, repeat the previous steps. Each time the tubing passes through, it will become straighter. Finally, remove and inspect your now straight tubing. If you have any questions, visit www.inlinetube.com and click the live chat button in the bottom right corner to speak with an expert. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below and like, comment, and share our other videos.